Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive Mechanic by Sydney. This is my actual Porsche Cayenne. The alternator failed. This one here is a 955 original Cayenne. Very first one. As you can see, my alternator failed on my car, so I have to fix it. That was really painful. So everything's got to remove the fan out, and some of the coolant hoses as well, and the earth cable and power cable, and all the stuff in the front wheel arch. Take the wheel arch off, so you can get it out. Alright, there's the alternator. So I'm going to rebuild it. If you have an alternator yourself, do you want to and a starter motor, I do rebuild, so you don't have to actually buy a brand new one. Just send it to me in the mail and I'll rebuild it. Get new parts, rebuild the whole thing and send it back to you. It's still cheaper than buying a brand new one or an exchange one. So 190 amps on this one here. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.